So 10 lakh divided by 4 lakh into 100 to 50%. The following information relate to XYZ Limited. They have got a debtor. Hello my dear students, I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. In this session, I am going to hand Management Accounting 4th semester session 2 in favor of model question paper. 10 marks question I am going to solve. In the last session, I solved the question for 2 marks. Now I am going to hand for 10 marks question. We'll move on now. From the following balance sheet of ABC company, you have to calculate trend percentage by taking 2023 as the base year. So they have given the liability side. So you have to take the base of 2023 as a base year. Then you have to calculate the percentage. Which is the base year? 12 lakh. Then you have to calculate the percentage on this. This is a fixed asset, then investment, trade receivable, cash and bank, and inventories are current asset. Trend percentage. Particulars. First year, 2023. 2024, 2025, trend percentage, two 2023, 2024, 2025. Go. Owners fund, equity, preference reserve. Number 1, equity share capital. Equity share capital 20 lakh. Then 24 lakh. $28 lakh. So 2020 is the base year is 100. Now 24 lakh divided by 20 lakh into 100, 120. Then 28 lakh, 140%. Then next one, 12% preference share capital. $10 lakh, 18 lakh, 20 lakh. 10 lakh, 18 lakh, 20 lakh. So base year is equal to 100. So 18 lakh divided by 10 lakh into 100, 180%. Then 20 lakh means 200%. Next one, reserve, 8 lakh, 10 lakh, 12 lakh, reserve, 8 lakh, 10 lakh, 12 lakh, 100, 10 lakh, 125, this is 10, 125, this is 10 lakh divided by 8 lakh into 100. Now 12 lakh divided by 8 lakh into 100. This is 12. 150%. Profit and loss. Profit and loss. 4 lakh, 6 lakh, 8 lakh. 4 lakh, 6 lakh, 8 lakh. This is 100. 6 lakh divided by 4 lakh into 100. 150%. 8 lakh means 200%. This is P&L account. Then long-term loan. This is if you have 20, 28, 32. This goes to bonus fund up to here. Add this. Then long-term loan. Correct. Add 20, 38, 42 lakh. Then 58 lakh. 68 lakh. Taking 42 lakh as the base year. This is bonus fund. Then long-term loan. Long-term loan. 4 lakh, 10 lakh, 12 lakh. 4 lakh. 4 lakh. 10 lakh, 12 lakh. So this is 100. So 10 lakh divided by 4 lakh into 100, 250%. Then 12 lakh divided by 4 lakh into 100, 300%. This goes to long-term loan. Then trade payable, current liability, trade payable, trade payable, 2 lakh, 6 lakh, 5 lakh, 2 lakh, 6 lakh, 5 lakh, This is 100. 6 lakh divided by 2 lakh into 100, 300. 2 lakh is equal to 100. 6 lakh is equal to 300. 5 lakh, 250. Total 40 lakh, 74 lakh, 40 lakh, 74 lakh, 85 lakh. 40 lakh is equal to 100. 74 lakh divided by 74 divided by 40 lakh into 100, 185. 85 lakh, 212.5. Total. This goes in favor of total liabilities. Okay, now come back here. Assets, particulars, 2023, 2024, 2025, trend percentage, then 2023, 2024, 2025. Now, fixed assets, 20 lakh, 40 lakh, 50 lakh. Fixed assets, 20 lakh, then 40 lakh, then 50 lakh. This is 100. 40 lakh is 200. 50 lakh. This is 50 lakh divided by 20 into 100, 250. This goes to fixed assets. Then investments, 8 lakh, 10 lakh, 12 lakh. Investments, 8 lakh, 10 lakh, 12 lakh. 8 lakh is 100. 10 lakh divided by 8, 125. 150. This goes to investment, then current assets, In this, trade receivable 2 lakh, 8 lakh, 9 lakh. Trade receivable, trade receivable, trade receivable 2 lakh, 8 lakh, 9 lakh, 2 lakh, then 8 lakh, then 9 lakh, then what next you got? Cash, cash comes to 1 lakh, 3 lakh, 2 lakh, 1 lakh, 3 lakh, 2 lakh, last one, inventories, nothing but stock, inventories, 9 lakh, 13 lakh, 12 lakh, 9 lakh, 13 lakh, 12 lakh, this. Now we'll go 100% here. 8 lakh means 400%. 9 divided by 2, 450%. Then this is 100%, 300%, 200%, 100%, 9 lakh, 13 lakh, 144.4, 12 lakh, 133.33 to the base. Same 42 lakh, 40 lakh, 74 lakh, 40 lakh, 74 lakh, 85 lakh, 100, 185, 212.5. $74 lakh, so taking the 100 base as 100, how much increase in percentage? I have done even for a total also. Okay, this is liability side, this is your asset side. We'll move on. Next problem. We'll move on to next problem. The following information relate to XYZ Limited. They have got a debtor, they have got a creditor, they have got a BR, they have got a BP. Total sales during their 17 lakh 80,000. Total purchase during their 13 lakh. Cash sale 4 lakh 66,000. Cash purchase 3 lakh 40. You are required to calculate debtor turnover ratio, debt collection period, creditor turnover ratio, and debt payment period. We'll move on. Debtors turnover ratio. Is equal to credit sales divided by average debtors. Credit sale divided by average debtor. Credit sale is equal to total sales minus cash sales minus sales return. Come back. What's your total sales? 17,80,000 minus. What's your cash sale? 4,66,000 minus. Sales return not given, nil, is equal to 17,80,000 7180 followed by 30 minus 4,66,000 13,14,000. This is your credit sale. Average debtors is equal to opening debtor plus closing debtor plus opening BR plus closing BR whole divided by 2. What is the formula? Opening debtor plus closing debtor plus opening BR plus closing BR divided by 2 is equal to, what's your opening debtor? 80,000 plus 1,20,000. 80,000 plus 1,20,000 plus, what's your opening BR? 60,000 plus 1 lakh. Whole divided by 2 is equal to 1,20,000 plus 80 is 2 lakh, 2,60,000, 3,60,000. 1,20,000 divided by 80,000 is 2 lakh, 3,60,000 divided by 2, 1,80,000. This is your average debtor. Debtors turnover ratio what's your credit sale? 13,14,000 divided by 1,80,000 average is equal to 13,14,000 divided by 18030. 7.3 times. Debts collection period, (365 days) divided by debtors turnover ratio. That is 365 divided by 7.3. That is 365 divided by 7.3. So 50 days. Once in 50 days, they are going to collect the money in 7.3 days. So this goes in favor of debtor turnover ratio. Next, creditors turnover ratio is equal to credit purchases divided by average creditors. Is equal to credit purchases is equal to total purchases minus cash purchases minus purchases returns. Credit purchases, total purchases minus cash purchases minus purchase return. What's your total purchases? 13 lakh formula, total purchases minus cash purchases minus purchase return. What's your cash purchases? 3,40,000 minus purchases return not given nil is equal to 13 lakh minus 3 lakh 9,60,000. Average creditors opening creditor plus closing creditor plus opening BP plus closing BP whole divided by 2 is the formula. What's your opening creditor? 1,60,000 plus 80,000 plus what's your opening BP? 32,000 plus 48,000. Divided by 2. 1,60,000, 80 means 2,40,000 plus 32,000 plus 48,000, 3,20,000 divided by 2, 1,60,000. Creditors turnover ratio is equal to, what is your credit purchase? 9,60,000 divided by 1,60,000. Six times. Then debt payment period is equal to 365 days divided by creditors turnover ratio is equal to 365 divided by 6. 365 divided by 6. 60.83 say 61 days. Creditor turnover 9,60,000 divided by 1,60,000, 365 divided by creditor turnover ratio 60.83 days. Say 61 days. So 2 problems over. The last problem. PQR Limited made a profit of 1,85,000 after considering the following: depreciation on fixed asset, profit on sale of building, loss on sale of machinery, provision for taxation, provision for doubtful debt, transfer to general reserve, amortization of fictitious assets. Then other information, you are required to ascertain cash flow from operating activity under indirect method. Answer: cash flow from operating activities indirect method. Columns: particulars, rupees, rupees. We'll go one by one. Your net profit is 1,85,000. Net profit $1,85,000. Add non-cash items. Here. Depreciation on fixed asset. Depreciation on fixed assets 5,000. Number 2, Don't take profit. Loss on sale of machinery. Loss on sale of machinery, 4,000. Number 3, provision for taxation. Provision for taxation, 30,000. Number 4, provision for doubtful debt, RBD, reserve for bad and doubtful debt, 500. So this over, loss over, then transfer to general reserve, transfer to reserve, 12,000. Sixth one, amortization of fixed asset. Amortization, AMORTI, amortization, SATAY, amortization of fictitious assets, 2,000. Amortization of fictitious assets, FICTI, TI. So add the figure, 5,000, 4,000 plus 30,000 plus 500 plus 12,000 plus 2,000, 53,500. 50 plus 53,500. 1,85,000 plus 53,500, 1,800,000. 2,38,500, 2,38,500. Next, particulars, rupees, then 2,38,500. Profit on sale of building minus profit on sale of building minus profit on sale of building, 10,000. So 2,38,000 minus 10,000 is 2,28,500. 2,28,500. This is operating profit before working capital changes. Here, number 1, decrease in current assets, decrease in current asset. Formula: current asset debtor has been decreased, debtors 18,000 minus 17,000, it become 1,000. Debtor, this over, BR decrease, this is A, B. BR, it is 7,000 minus 4,000. It becomes 3,000. And plus. Then come back. BR over. Prepaid expenses increase. Then this 1 over 2. Increase in current liabilities. Creditor decrease, BP increase. BP is 3,500 minus 3,000. It becomes 500. Then BP or outstanding expenses. Outstanding expenses decrease. Prepaid won't come. Here only creditor decrease. Outstanding expenses decrease. BP increase. Only this. So plus 4,500. Then less increase in current assets, current asset, prepaid expenses, debtor over, prepaid expenses increase in current. Increase in current asset, here prepaid expenses, $2,500 is 500. Then next one, number 2, decreasing current liabilities, creditors, $12,000 minus 9. 3,000. This is 1, 2. Outstanding expenses. Outstanding expenses. 4,000 minus 2,000. So minus 5,500. See that all the things have done. Debtor over, creditor, BR over, BP increase over, outstanding over, prepaid expense over. Now, 2,38,000 minus 2,28,500 plus 2,28,500 plus 4,500, 2,33,000. 2,33,000 minus 5,500, 22 lakh, 2,27,500. Check up. Check the things. 1,85,000, 53,500, 2,38,000 minus 10,000, 2,28,500 plus 4,500, 2,33,000. In that 5,000, 2,27,500. Net operating, net income. Minus income tax. IT. Nil. Once again, 2 lakh. Net operating income. Hope you understand. What's the procedure? Profit, net profit, 1,85,000. Add non-cat item, division on fixed asset. This is 5. 53,500 should be added. 2,38,500 minus 10,000 should be deducted. Profit, 2,28,500 plus 4,000. That is 2,33,000. Increase in current asset, prepaid, decrease in current liability, creditor, outstanding, 5,500 should be deducted. Net income, 2,27,000. There is no income tax, 2,27,500. Hope you understand. I solved in this session, I solved 3 problems. One on 10% for 10 marks. One problem for this is net operating income. One problem, debtor and creditor turnover ratio. All these 3 problems are very, very important from the examination point of view. Hope you understand. Better to go through the problem and the answer also given. Please go through it. If you have any doubt, we can make comment. I will get you answer for that. Thank you. Thank you very much. Best of luck in the examination. In the next session, I will do 15 marks. Till then, please go through this. We have solved 2 marks question and also you have got 10 marks question. Next, we are going to solve 15 marks. Until then, goodbye. Meet in the next session.